Hello folks, and welcome to the 31st Annual Farmer Fun Fly. Well, as most of you participants know, this two-day air show was founded by Dave Boldt. In fact, right next to the food court was one of Dave's favorite biplanes, and we put it out there in his honor and to pay tribute to Dave Boldt. Well, the first time I ever came to this show, as you may have seen in my previous video, I first came in 2009. Well, these days I'm actually a proud member. So there are many reasons to do shows like this, but one of the main reasons is to invite spectators and hopefully inspire them to get involved in model aviation. And from what I saw, the spectators truly were wowed, and I am sure we're going to be signing up a few folks to join. Then we can teach them how to fly safely here at our field at Boldt International in Rushmore, Minnesota. Well, in contemplating how to actually edit this video, because I got a ton of it, I know most folks don't watch videos to the end. You know, they skip to the end early, and no matter how entertaining the video. I actually don't know how they make it through an hour TV program. So anyway, with 2 days of flying, and that's including electric jets, real turbine jets, warbirds that are electric, regular warbirds that are nitro or gas powered, speed planes, helicopters, powered parasails, and all the other kinds of other planes, and night flying where they flew the plane in the middle of the fireworks where they were shooting Roman candles and the big fireworks at the planes. Totally insane. Wait till you see it. So I guess I decided to break up the video into at least 3, maybe only 2 parts, and I'm going to call this part 1. The spectacular night flying with the fireworks will most likely be the last video in this series, and I can tell you, you don't want to miss that one, so please subscribe. And if you also know someone that would be interested, please pass this on to them. So here we go, and right now you're seeing just some of the still shots of the aircraft you're going to be seeing fly throughout. Well, each day, Roger, Jim, and I set up the food concession booth, etc. And later on, Roger, our secretary, his wife, and Terry, the president, and his wife cooked and served for all just a donation. Then Roger also sold raffle tickets. Well, Adam was the event coordinator and made sure all went smooth with a multitude of tasks. He had a lot on his mind for weeks, and it all showed, as you'll see. He also included his new model, iBaby Girl. Well, the airshow groups have been right after lunch, and I opened the show with my 40-year-old Byron F-16. It was the first version and had no retracts, so that's the way I built it. However, instead of using the messy Byro fan and nitro engine, I tried converting it to electric with several motor and ESC failures along the way, but finally got it to work with a donated JP Hobbies 120mm 5-inch fan.
Electric Warbirds!
Electric Warbirds?
Yep.
Yeah, it looks like a bunch of swallows. Oh!
Oh, one went down over there.
What? Another one over there too?
Yeah.
Nerves of steel.
Hey. Very nice. Oh, that's Trudy. That's Trudy.
Oh yeah. Let her rip. Go. Maybe after this guy? Or maybe after that guy? Or that guy? For that guy? For that guy? For that guy?
What the? Hey, there's gonna be a lot of airplanes up here.
Oh, there it is. That looks real.
I don't know which one to watch.
Who is that, Donna? Oh, we might have to blindfold him. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think 15. last lady's tail.
Nice job.
Good.
Nice job.
Well, folks, this is the end of part 1. Please subscribe because part 2 is on the editor and I will have it up soon. It has more amazing jets, the amazing large-scale 3D airplanes you won't believe, 3D helicopters, high-speed flying, and more. So don't miss it as it's really exciting. So thanks for watching, folks, and God bless. This is Dave Herbert, the Night Flyer, signing off for now.